Welcome to another investment update, and the first thing to let everybody know is that quicker than I thought I would be, I'm up to date. So I've caught up with all the investments. Everybody's been paid out that needs paying out, just about. There's a couple people that haven't, but that's only because I'm waiting for them to contact me. I've contacted them to find out what they want to do, and I'm just waiting for them to contact me. So if you're one of the people that hasn't been paid out yet, and there's only a couple, and you're thinking, oh, it's a bit late, maybe check your junk folder or something like that, or get in touch with me anyway, and let me know what you want to do, and we'll have a chat. But other than that, everybody's caught up with, so it's been brilliant. It's worked. It's everybody's happy. People have had cash payouts and so on. So yeah, thanks very much for that. It's and let's look forward to the next year. I was talking to a couple of investors of mine, and couldn't believe what they were telling me about investment brokers and so on, where they'd invested money with a proper investment brokers at a proper address and all the rest of it, and then as soon as it came time to pay out, there's no one there. They've all skipped and left town. Shocking. I mean, I've done a bit of investigation. Over £500 million a year is robbed from internet crime, which is and stuff like that, which is just mental. But you guys know that this works and that you get paid, and that is a plus. In fact, you could say it's the best kept investment secret on the internet. Anyway, now what else has happened? Oh yeah, so something happened I didn't see coming actually, and I'm quite a creative guy, but I didn't actually see it coming. When I gave you all the information that I gave you last week, and there's me saying, you know, if you've got a few quid, if they're under a certain price, Aviation and Jane Austen, buy them, and so on, you'll make more money. I had a couple of my larger investors get in touch with me and say, you know, it's great that you give us that offer, but I'm not interested. I can't be bothered. Can't be bothered to buy and sell. I just buy. I don't sell. I buy for my own collection, or you know, the investment I get a return on. So I'm more than happy, you know, to give you more and have another 5 grand or 10 grand, which a couple of them did, just to put into these products, knowing full well that you're going to earn your money out of them, and I'm going to get a good investment. That'll do me, essentially. And that quite surprised me actually. But then when I thought about it, I thought, well, yeah, I can see that. It is, you know, it's a lot of work. You know, the buying and selling, or the selling is a lot of work. It's dealing with the questions and dealing with the numpties, the people. Not everybody is easy to deal with, and the aggravation in posting and things going missing and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I get that. So no problem. You know, I'm more than happy to do that. The more investment I get, the better. And on that note, we've added, because we sold out on a couple of denominations, and because of the new products, we are adding more investment. So I've added a few more. So there's a few more 10s and a few more 5s and a few more 2.5s, etc. And somebody also mentioned to me that because my maximum investment is 10,000, is that the most that somebody's allowed to invest? No. If you wanted to invest 50,000 and there was 5 of those available, just buy 5. If there wasn't 5 available and there was only 2 available, then buy 2 of those, a couple of 5s, 10 ones, and whatever. But you can buy multiples of whichever denomination that you want to get up to the amount that you want to invest. So if you want to invest more, you can invest more, and I've had a fair few investors do just that. So obviously, the more money we pay out, the more people want to invest, and so on. But yes, so I've added some more, and because this kind of investment takes up a lot of money, so I've added a few more. So yeah, by all means get in touch, and remember, if you want to pay by PayPal, you can just go on and pick the investment and buy it. If on the other end you want to send me the money direct, bank to bank, and save me on the PayPal fees, then I add extra reward points, which are well worth it. So by all means do that. Just get in touch, give me a call or text or email me. Talking of reward points, Remember also that every investment you get reward points on that as well. So, you know, a lot of our investors tend not to buy coins because their reward points covers them for free coins over and over and over and over and over again. So you get reward points anyway on your investment. And not to forget, in real terms, it's actually worth a whopping 50% back over 2 years. That's what you get back, and we can do that because on your money we're going to make 400–500%, if not more, on some items. Not every item, but on a lot of the stuff that we invest in and buy, that's what we'll get, 400–500%, sometimes more. So that's why we can afford to do that. So 50% is what you get, and I think I've already said there's a few more available, and we've added a few more. Somebody did mention to me last week, actually after last week's video, an investor, who said to me, really and truly, she said, some of your investors might be a bit miffed that you didn't give the information to them a couple of hours earlier than everybody else. And I thought about that, and I thought, well, maybe, yeah, maybe you've got a point there. Maybe because, you know, people that are investing in us and putting that money up front, if there's that kind of information that we're going to give and give it that early, then maybe they should get a few hours notice. So I will definitely take that on board, and I will definitely bear that in mind the next time. And maybe even send out a quick email, if I can, to the investors. But I'll see how that goes. On this occasion, as it happens, it didn't do any damage because a week later there are still some available at the same price they were last week, which is unfathomable to me. But there you go. So depending on how much investment we get this week will depend on whether there'll be any left for sale next week, because I will go in and buy the lot. I've given everybody the opportunity, and we know what they're going to be worth, so I will be in and I'll buy the lot. Anyway, that's it. So that's it for the investment update this week. There's no more to tell you, I don't think. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I've got a new outfit at Sainsbury's. Pair of jeans, jumper, t-shirt, less than 30 quid. Can't grumble at that. It's actually an outfit that fits for a change. So yeah, I'm feeling great. My weight is 13.5 stone, which is excellent. We've got through an awful lot of hurdles over the last year. As you know, those of you that have been with us for a year or two know that we've had a few issues, and medical issues and one thing and another. But I feel great, and knowing that I haven't got cancer is just absolutely wonderful. So the diverticular disease, well, we'll just deal with that. I'm happy to have that and not have cancer. That's just fantastic. So that's it. That's as far as the update goes this week. Thanks very much. If you're thinking about investing and you haven't got on board yet, get on board. If you are an investor and you've been paid out, etc., do you know what would be wonderful is if you left us a review on the item description page for the new investment, and or on our Facebook page. That'd be great. That's it. Thanks very much, and I'll send you another update next week.